But wait, only one question in Cholejo, Governor Chukwuma Soludo, and the Operation Udo Gashe, Ndago Neshemba, Emma Kai, who Fajun Cholejo, no, Unebody one and Joan Adjua. Adenanambra State Nime, with Ifeni Naima, Ndematibia Meluni Huakuko, do evidence for people to see. I used to think, just like in when we have information before, there will more than 30 native doctors aging on at detention. How come no only Eke hit, Akwa Okuko, and the only say Jesus when they appear in the court today? I'm just asking, does it mean that out of the Anambra State, Mande no Newo, Mande no Ebenebe Onehano Wujuakija, Mande no Rifte, Mande ne Benine Waburubulu, Mande no Anam Nando, Nteje, Waf Ebenina, Ebe, Ndewantibia Jew, or Jew Benine, Ihiala. Does it mean not only these three people who's also don't follow Daliwu Okita? Imokona almost in the Dibianina Mabani Huawa minus Miriam Willow. Imokona Hanchanine na Wokite. Yeah? Imokona Hanchanine na Wokite. Nde Dibianina non a Morning Star Club. Imokona Hanchanine na Wokite. Anamajua Juju. If you battle no so only Akwa Okuko. Eke hit. And when you say Jesus, will they arrest? Does it mean that my government just will show EG 3 people? We say it example. Does it mean that my government just will show how we do 3 people? We say it example. Can those only we bombo? Except this, I from reason patalo. Mmadu yeji wee bịa n'ikpo nnụnụ gbalụ nza. Afọ mrisi mkpatara mmadu yeji wee bịa n'ikpo nnụnụ wee gbalụ nza. They showed too much na Facebook for almost everybody to see. Ndị mmadụ bịa na-agwa oke ite ka nkụ ma ndị na-agwa na Facebook ya na-afụ. Ka ebe kpatara ji wee only 3 people ka arrest. I am asking now, like I said, except na just will shock these 3 people. We say it here. Example, minus that, from reason Pataro Eju will somebody thought Kaya arrest. What go? For reason Pataro Eju will also only 3 people Kaya arrest. It is a question that is begging for answer. Na ke Osasha a big color instead of equal. What go? Unless no lesson God just shock what teach him does. Minus that, you should be asking this question. You should be asking this question. Trezo activities, we know them. We know them. Trezo hand on a Facebook, pages hand on a Facebook, now walk it out. I'm not fear nanya. You guys who will somebody talk I am arrest. When I heard that name will more than 30 native doctors aging at detention. Is she okay? But when they were arraigned today, we saw only 3 people. The same 3 people are arrested. Yeah? Oh, we want okay, we'll teach them those lesson. The message go. In fact, the lesson has been learned. In fact, the sanity has returned again to Anambra State in terms of that Wadibi and this one abracadabra. The water go. Oh, no, okay, we'll teach you a lesson. Okay, we'll do a canante. All that. I can achieve that aim. But I'm just asking, and I'm just curious, and I'm asking because you and me know that na aim now ha ni wow will enyem potuni na ha na all in the name of Okite. For a reason 2 people here were committed the same crime. Ejidofo onye happened also, especially nde akajiofo ni no no Okija. Ahara ha. Peter Eke hit. Mano when they Eke hit we pala molo. If not that na nyanwa won no na agbasa egbo onu na enye ga na mkpotu ebe niile nyanwa wo mkpotu ko na enye na ndị na-alụ dị men ojobo ono na nyanwa wo mkpotu wi fo na enye na ndị na-alụ dị men ojobo ono ewadago worukwa we mulu lesson making too much noise because mmadụ ite eji nwere one thing ha nwere in common. Ha adaghị eme magic, ha na-eme noise, ha adaghị eme noise, ha na-eme show, ha na-agbatụpụ egbe n'ọnụ. Ndị ọzọ na-alụkwa na-egosi nke ha mana ha committed blunder too much. Ịghọtago? So ajụjụ ife njụrụ, and nweta answer to this ajụjụ obi adụm mma maka abịara n'ikpo nnụnụ gbalụ nza. Ịghọtara? Ọnwụ no lesson, like I said, it is okay because akụghị aka and ege na ntị. Ịghọtago? Ọ ka wezugo ife mfụlụ ka m na-ekwu. Ịghọtago? Ife mfụlụ ka m na-ekwu. Daalụnụ.